Hey family, this is Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey. I have some seasoned chicken bites, rotisserie chicken bites, Red Lobster chicken biscuit mix. Well, let's make a chicken pot pie casserole. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to make a chicken pot pie casserole, and you're supposed to start with 2 cups of cubed rotisserie chicken. I got this from Sam's Club. It's the Members Mark chicken breast bites. It's already seasoned. And I did have to break it up a little bit because there were some big chunks. And I tasted a little bit. It's good. It says it's already fully cooked. You just heat and eat. And it's not breaded. So a little bit healthier for you. We're also going to use 1 pack of the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, and we're going to follow the directions on it on how to make it. So you make it with 3/4 cups cold water, 1/2 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and then we have the pouch of the herb butter sauce in there to make afterwards. Now, as far as the chicken, you're going to need the cream of chicken, soup for that, some frozen mixed vegetables, and I just got the kind from Kroger. This is optional, shredded cheese. I'm not going to use it because I have the shredded cheese going to be in the Red Lobster biscuit mix. Salt and pepper to taste, and then any kind of chicken seasoning, mixed herbs, or celery salt that you want. But again, this is already seasoned, so I bought some seasoning that I may use, like this one here. Garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. Maybe some chicken seasoning. And maybe some celery seed. But I don't know. I'm going to taste it once we have it all assembled, see if I need to add anything. Oven is preheated to 400 degrees. So now we're going to prepare the filling. Going to combine the rotisserie chicken. I got that in there. The soup. And then you need a cup of milk, or you can use chicken broth or whipping cream. What I did here is I have 3/4 cup of milk, and I added 1/4 of whipping cream. I'm going to pour it in the soup jar first to try to get all of that out of there. The recipe will be in the description of this video. And the mixed vegetables. It says 2 cups. This is 12 ounces, so a little short, but use what you have. The recipe says to make this in a 9x13 baking dish. And at this point is when you would season the mix. It's a big chunk of frozen vegetables there. And then we got it to break up. Okay. You know, I like to see my seasoning, so I'm going to add just a little bit of all the ones I showed you, just because I want to see the seasonings. Here's the chicken seasoning. And a little bit of the celery seed. I didn't use celery salt because you have salt in the soup, and I'm sure it was salt in the chicken bites, and it's definitely salt in that garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt seasoning. See, now we can see flecks of the seasoning, but I want to see more. So let's add a little bit more of this. And I'm going to add just black pepper by itself. I love black pepper, so maybe just a little bit more celery seed. That's looking good. Let me just taste a little bit of it. Try thyme. Let me get some thyme. Tastes a little bland still. That's better. But you know, I'm thinking it's not gonna be very thick. So I'm gonna add a little broth. It just looks a little too thick, so I'm gonna add a little chicken broth. I just added a little bit of this chicken broth from Members Mark. I wanted it to be a little bit soupier. That was just a little too thick before. Okay, so that's done. Now you need to make the biscuits. And it says, just following the directions. Stir together the water, cheese, and biscuit mix. Here's the biscuit mix. There's the water. 3/4 cup cold water. 1/2 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And it says to stir it until just combined and not to over stir. I think that's gonna do it. And it was pretty easy. Okay. I'll wash my hands off, then we will assemble the casserole. There's my 9x12 baking dish. And we just pour the chicken mixture in and drop spoonfuls of the prepared biscuit mix over it. Okay. That was quick and easy. Spent more time getting the ingredients out and together than I did making it. This seems a little dry. You know, I'm gonna add just a little bit more water to it. That's a little better. And it says to just spoon this over. I'll spread it out a little bit. Okay, I'm thinking I might need to do another bag. I think I do. That's not enough. Maybe if I spread it out by hand. My hands are clean. I don't go in the kitchen with dirty hands. So, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do another bag. Because I want all that covered. So let me wash my hands again. I'm gonna do another bag of that. And I did add a little extra water because I needed it last time. I figured I'd need it again. So a little bit more than 3/4 of a cup. Yeah, I feel better about doing another mix, another bag, because that was not enough. Although now I'm reading, it says, don't worry if there's gaps, the mix will expand. One of these days I'm gonna read everything. But, oh well. Okay. And it says 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. So let's do it. Be back when it's ready. I'm gonna clean up in the meantime. Seeing the pictures of the finished product, I'm gonna give it a try. Let me get some of the biscuit. And the topping, you just melt some butter and put the seasoning mix in there. I didn't video that, that's pretty simple. And then you just pour it over the finished product when it comes out of the oven. This is good. And I'll make this again, this is good. I taste the biscuit, that garlic butter on top. And I'm glad I added a little bit of water so this wouldn't be too dry, too thick. This is good. And it's cold today. Can you believe it? It's not even gonna get, I think maybe 70 if possible. I don't think it's gonna get that, so this is a perfect meal for a cold day. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Make that's good. Especially on a cold day. I'll see you in the next video, family. All the best to you and yours. Bye for now.